Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then that makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here that need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is actually do a little adjustment here. I'm going to adjust this green line down to right here at 98 cents, just to give the price a little bit more wiggle room. And I would call 98 cents the ideal level of support, meaning if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? And that my answer would be if the price can stay above 98 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 98, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above it, that would definitely be a big sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period, a simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 98, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still that red line from the last time I did the video, which I can't remember exactly when that was, but that's right up there around the $1.08 mark. So $1.08 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, as long as the chart keeps on doing what it's been doing over the past few days, resistance levels really don't matter that much. I say that because, well, first off, what has the price been doing? Well, it's been building these higher bases. So as long as these higher bases, higher lows continue to be built, you picture those as stair steps, well, then, yeah, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.